They said some have knives or even guns.
Yeah, true.
Folkert and Joeri have to rethink their defense strategy.
This is so different than Amsterdam.
The musical duo The Daniels beat Berlin hunting records. And we catch up with our intern, Oos. We made a promise. If your VanMoof is stolen, we have 2 weeks to hunt it down and return it to you, or we'll replace it. Here's your monthly bike hunt report.
Not a bike hunt today.
Folkert took a slightly injured Joeri out hunting in San Francisco.
I got my stick with me in case something happens.
Yeah.
The tracker is on. Crusade are more precise than less one. It should be here.
Even at dusk, the VanMoof bike silhouette is easy to spot.
I see him. I think I see him.
But this time, the rider stood out too.
Dude, did you saw his mask?
Dude. Yeah.
Folkert is there calling now 911 and I'm following the guy. He's cycling over there. This was the guy. This is super dodgy.
I called the police and he's on his way. They advised to wait, but we saw that the location changed. If we got him, we call the police officer that he can come directly. We are way faster and more flexible on our bikes.
We really need to catch him soon.
Fresh coordinates are just too tempting for a bike hunter.
Look, yeah, he's over there. Get that bike. Because that bike is from us. And I don't give you problems, we just cycle away and that's it.
The rider couldn't understand how they'd tracked him down, so Joeri gave a little intro to what VanMoof is all about.
My question is, are you hiring for jobs?
We're always looking for bike hunters.
VanMoof explanation done. Walking stick unused. Bike recovered.
Get it back. We're going back to the brand store.
We deserve a beer, some pizza.
Guess we'll never get to the bottom of that mask then.
So, Daniel, what are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling pumped.
Yeah.
The Daniels have been getting a pretty speedy reputation for themselves.
It's time for serious business because we just arrived in the danger zone. So now we go over to the secret weapon, of course.
An Electrified S was reported stolen and they were right on the case, recovering it in record-breaking time.
So let's...
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god.
Making Berlin VanMoofer William a very happy customer.
I cannot describe how happy I am.
So...
Honestly, I didn't have the highest hopes. I've lost 4 bikes in Berlin. Was it 2 hours or something? Yeah, since I called. Amazing. You guys, legends, thanks.
Bye.
VanMoof 1, Bike Thieves Nil. You may remember our intern, Oos, who started at VanMoof in March.
Wildlife of Amsterdam. There it goes.
We saw him recover his first stolen bike and he was crowned a bike hunter. Since then, he's been taking in the sights of Amsterdam while finding back stolen bikes. Actually, a lot of bikes.
All right. Goedemiddag. Hi. Boris. Hey.
Plaats, wilt u met de politie spreken? Spreekt u de plaatsnaam duidelijk in.
Amsterdam. Safety first.
Oos has recovered 31 bikes and counting. That's 31 happy riders who've been reunited with their bikes again.
Nou, zo gaat het ook. Moet kunnen.
Well done, OC. That's all, folks. See you next time for more bike hunting updates.